now I'm showing you guys the Sony ZV1 and the Sony shooting grip. It's called the GP-VPT2BT Sony shooting grip. Yes. Ang haba ng pangalan niya, no? This one, you can attach and detach. It's easy, guys. Meron siyang screw. It has a screw that you can just rotate this and detach. This you can use as a remote control or as a shooting grip, and you can use it as a stand as well. You can put it on the table like a tripod. It has a rubberized here so it will not slip. It's perfect, guys, for shooting outdoors because it has a bigger grip. And this one used for remote control, up and down. This is for movie. It has a battery actually, and this is for photo. If you want to take photo, just press it. And it has here, this area, you need to open this one. I'll show you guys. I think this is also important, guys. I just want to show you on how to open this back opening for battery. So you need to press this to the left. It's moving. Press it to the left. At the same time, press this going down. So pull it. It's easy. It will unlock. Put it back like that. Press. So I open it. See? It has a battery. Okay. Battery. Put the plus sign outside. There is a plus sign there. So it should be like that. And put it back. Easy. I'll show you in the video on how to connect this onto this camera. So there is a Bluetooth settings that you need to turn it on. Tab 3, page 2, Bluetooth settings. You need to go to tab 3, page 2, Bluetooth settings. You need to turn on the Bluetooth, and down there is a pairing. Yes, guys, pairing. So while you're on pairing, you need to press this, hold these two buttons, up and this photo. Okay, for a long time. Press it for a long time. See, I'll try to connect right now. So I'll show you what will happen. Okay, guys. So before pairing, the message will show like this. Okay. Pairing Sony ZV1. Okay, I'll try to connect now by pressing this two buttons. This will take a little while. Alright, pressing. So it says connected device. Alright, and you need to press OK. So I will show you in the video exactly how to do it step by step. Let's connect again because I didn't press OK. It's already paired. Now you can use the remote by pressing the up, zooming, press down, zoom, down, zoom out, up, zoom, down, zoom up. Alright, so video, press movie, it's recording. Press photo if you want to take photo from the video. Alright, stop the movie recording. Alright, easy. This C1 here, guys, has another use. While you're taking a video, I'll explain in another video for this C1. It means defocus. It's like when you take a video, the background is blurred, and you can make it clear by pressing this one, clear and defocus, clear and defocus. So I'll explain that in another video. And this one, you just, if you want to remove, you turn this to unscrew or to screw back. So this you can press this side to move like this or like that. So just press it, and if you release, it will lock. So press it again to move. All right, and this one you can press again, this one, so it will move. All right, so without pressing it, it's locked. You cannot move left and right. Press it again, it will move. All right, so this is how you use it. Press it on the side to move from here to here. Okay, and this one, it's locked. You cannot move this camera from left to right if you'll not press this one. Press this. Okay, this will move. All right, leave it, it will lock straight. All right, so you can use and run because it has stabilizer. You can use standard, active. Actually, I will explain the other settings on how to use the Sony camera on the next video, guys. So right now, I'm teaching you on how to use the shooting grip, the GP-VPT2BT. Next video. Now let's begin. Let's choose the menu. This is the menu button. Now we are on the last tab. We'll need to choose the third tab. Going up, choose the third tab. Here it is. Going down to choose the page 2. We are on 1. Turn right. We are on page 2. So choose the Bluetooth remote control first to turn on the Bluetooth of this shooting grip. This is the remote control. Just want to show you how. It's already on. Then after that, choose the Bluetooth settings. Now we can now connect the ZV1 camera to its shooting grip by turning on the Bluetooth function. This is how to turn on. It's already on. Then we can do the pairing. Go to pairing. It says device name ZV1. Now we need to choose this 2 button. Press it for a few seconds at the same time. Alright, it says the GP-VPT2BT connected. Alright, press OK. Now it says paired. Press another OK. That is done, guys. Perfect. Now, instead of pressing here, up for the record, up button, you can choose this one for recording. Alright, have you seen that? Record, or just stop, press it, again, record. You can press the photo to take this picture. Now, if you go to the settings of the photo, this photo is already saved there, automatic. Okay, press the photo. You can just choose this one for zoom or zoom out, zooming in or zooming out. This C1 is to blur the background. For example, guys, you have this. If you press this one, defocus, the background is blurred. And on the video, you are the one on focus. The background is too blurred. Now, I'll press again to clear that. Background is clear. Now, defocus, the background is blurred. Alright? You see the difference? In time, you will learn everything, guys. All the functions. Alright. Now press stop. It's easy to use this remote. It's good for shooting grip. It's perfect for shooting outdoors. Alright? Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you guys for watching. I'll make another video for how to use the Sony ZV1 camera. Even though I'm not expert, I'll try, guys. I'm trying my best to study everything, not like everything, the basics of this camera. So right now I know about the basics of the camera, so I'll share with you next time, guys, on how to use the Sony ZV1. Okay, I'll see you guys next time on my vlog. Bye. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below anything you want to say, guys. Just comment down below. I'll appreciate any comments. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Please like, share, and subscribe.